Okay. M.R. Venkatesh is a chartered accountant and policy analyst. In the past, his arguments have leaned towards the BJP, and he has been among those hopefuls who think that when the BJP government comes to power, they'll do everything that the Congress party did not do. Today, M.R. Venkatesh, I don't know how he will feel. Atul Kumar Anjan of the Communist Party of India, Sanjay Jha says to himself tonight, despite all the hypocrisy of the Congress party in the past, here's my chance to call others hypocrites tonight. Sanjay Jha, we'll see whether you can do that. Ashish Khaitan, well, the Aam Aadmi Party is lunging at the BJP, isn't it, today? Calling it a, you've run it to, you have a whole social media campaign against the BJP today. Not without reason. I don't know the position of Aryaman Sundaram. Let's draw him into the debate. But first to Pinky Anand. Now, Miss Anand, let me begin by saying this to you. There is I have no intention of enjoying a situation where you are squirming, where you have no answers, or where you're embarrassed, or where you're red-faced, or where you try to defend the indefensible. But then, I fear that you are heading in that direction today. Must be severely embarrassing for you.
You start with such a situation. What do you think? What you are leading up to? But go ahead.
I don't know, ma'am. I wish I had the gift to frame facts, but I have to go by the available facts. What Arun Jaitley says today is what Pranab Mukherjee said in 2011. True or false?
Exactly.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Possibly. Then please.
Word by word.
Okay. So acceptance right on top of Newsa. What Pranab Mukherjee as finance minister of a Congress government said in 2011 is what Arun Jaitley says as the finance minister of a BJP government in 2014, possibly the same. I have a acceptance of the fact by Pinky Anand. Then Pinky Anand, just tell me, what were you promising the people of India? Along with Baba Ramdev and all the other motley group. What were you promising?
First of all, Arnab, today if you are asking me, I am representing the government, and that is what I would answer for. As far as the government is concerned, the promise to the people of this country is to get the black money back. And all the attempts which have been made in that direction are ahead of you. What you are talking about, either what was said by Pranab Mukherjee or Mr. Jaitley, is one side chapter.
No, it was the thrust of the entire 2014 election campaign. One second. The entire thrust of the 2014 election campaign was this. One second. Was it or was it not?
Allow me to answer something.
No. First of all,
I'm not going to answer the way you will say it.
No, but was it or was it not?
The question is, today the Indian officials went to the foreign countries to try to uncover the black money. That is the attempt that the officials have gone. I don't know why this has become the subject
Indian officials have been going to foreign countries for the last 2 decades.
As far as the government is concerned, in India, I don't think that is the subject matter. The question is not of whether the names can be made public or can't be made public. We are talking about the government and the government.
Yashwant Sinha. Okay, we'll open up the debate. You see.
Secondly, as far as
Miss Anand is saying, the only action that the government has taken,
I say let's open the debate.
Indian officials.
I say let's open the debate.
On that list, which was so-called stolen, they would provide the information. So
see,
assured that
today the only defense that Pinky Anand has,
Ashish Khaitan.
So okay. Why are we talking about what?
Ashish Khaitan is countering you.
The only defense.
Ashish Khaitan.
The only steps that they have taken, by Pinky Anand's own admission, their best defense is that they have sent Indian officials to Switzerland. Now, Arnav, you and I remember that Indian officials did also go to Switzerland when Hassan Ali case was being probed.
As to what they went and did.
We heard Arun Jaitley through the day. Now you don't have anything to add what Mr. Arun Jaitley said in the evening. Do you have anything to add what Arun Jaitley had said in the evening? Miss Pinky Anand, you have nothing to add to what Arun Jaitley said, to what Mukul Rohtgi said through the day. Now the fact of the matter is that during the election campaign you say that double taxation,
we are talking about what the Indian government is doing for black money retrieval back to the country. That is the subject matter, Ashish.
In the house,
what is the excuse that you are talking about?
Your leader of opposition, Arun Jaitley, used to roar like a lion. Today, why that lion had turned into a mouse? You used to roar like a lion. You used to say that Pranab Mukherjee is making excuses. There is nothing like double taxation avoidance treaty, and no taxation treaty forbids the government from disclosing names. And I want to say at the top of the bulletin that there is a reason why you are not disclosing names. Because the 30,000 crore rupees that you spent in your election campaign, we didn't spend 30,000 rupees crore. We didn't spend 30,000 crore rupees, Miss Pinky Anand. You just spent 8,000 crore rupees in Maharashtra. You spent 30,000 crore rupees during Lok Sabha election campaign.
What are you
alleging? The question is, does this money come from the honest people of this country? This is Swiss bank money. The allegation is that all those corporates who fly with Mr. Narendra Modi to America, to US, to Madhya Pradesh and endorse him are the corporates who have stashed their black money abroad in Switzerland bank. And Mr. Narendra Modi's politics, his election campaigns are being bankrolled through
Pinky Anand, now let me ask you this.
How can you expect him to take action?
No, one second. Miss Anand, one second, please. I want to come into this, please. 1 second. You see, look at what is happening, Miss Anand. No, 1 second. Look at what is, you are opening yourself up to these allegations, and you shouldn't be surprised because Aryaman Sundaram, when I was a child, you know, in the second last page of a newspaper or in some of those Tinkle magazines we used to buy, there used to be a competition called Spot the Difference. And there used to be 2 pictures. Maybe you also did it in your time, though I must say you are younger to me, it seems. The fact is, in that Spot the Difference, Aryaman Sundaram, we say, what is different between these 2 pictures? Somebody is wearing a hat, somebody is not wearing a hat. Somebody's got polka dots, 5 of them, somebody's got 6. Now, I am asking the Spot the Different contest, Aryaman Sundaram, NDA, UPA's rationale for not revealing names. One quote. If I publish it, same country will say you violated the agreement, will not share information in future. That's UPA. Congress, NDA, sorry, I nowadays get confused between BJP and Congress. They're all sounding the same. BJP, rules cannot be broken. Names can be made public only once the matter goes into court.
Better than them.
No, 1 second. Sanjay, don't be overreactive. I've got quite a lot to settle with you also. Why is it come down to this, Aryaman Sundaram?
No, I don't like to be compared to the BJP. The
Sure
Congress
you don't.
doesn't have anything to do with the BJP.
Unless
we are remarkably different
except
from
on
that
exit
party.
poll day. Yeah, fine. Okay.
Very, very simple, Arnab. The point is...
No, even that we will live with the defeat.
It's okay. Come, 1 second.
When they are in...
Yeah. Yes, Aryaman Sundaram. Why is Pinky Anand in such a predicament, in a bad situation tonight?
Whichever... She is in a predicament because whichever party is in power is going to give the same story the earlier party did, and the party which is no longer in power is going to shout to the same accusations that they did earlier. Boiled down, it comes down to something as simple as this. The double taxation treaty only protects legal accounts from being disclosed. It in no way deals with black money.
Yeah.
The point of the matter is there needs to be an investigation which has to be conducted by the country concerned. That is, if India claims that there are certain persons who are having black money, they should have an investigation, and that investigation should show that these are black monies, in which case no treaty stands in the way of that. So I cannot understand a statement which says a treaty prevents disclosure of black money accounts.
Not going into this
a
issue
treaty may
of black money and who are the
may prevent the disclosure of legal accounts. Can I finish, please?
Let him finish. No, let Ashish, let Aryaman Sundaram finish.
And Dhirubhai Ambani figure on that list or not?
Look, I don't know why there seems to be so much concern over this whole thing between the 2 political parties. I don't know who everybody wants to protect or not protect. It's a very simple issue for me. There can always be an investigation because the names are known. It's a question of the names are known to the government. The government says they can't disclose it until they have a sufficient investigation by which it shows that these people are involved in black money transactions. Question is, what is happening to that investigation? What is happening? Has that progressed?
I don't know. Do you know? Is there a firm answer on it? No.
I want to
No.
Some of the corporates
the SIT has given a report in August itself. The SIT which has been appointed by the Supreme Court to look into these matters, to go into the investigation, to find out which are the account holders which are illegal.
No, Meenakshi.
Even as back as in August. 2014.
Meenakshi
So
Lekhi,
don't know where
I
we
quote
are
a
dealing with
leader.
the issue. If you're talking about disclosure, or are you talking about bringing back the money?
No, no.
Switzerland on this visit has assured that they will provide the information even on the basis of the stolen list which came in the UPA 2.
No, no,
We have
what's
been
it-
hearing
That
about
if further
these
information was made
assurances
available,
for the past
then
so many years.
more information would be given by Switzerland.
Logic.
No, India is not a signatory
Logic.
to the automatic transfer treaty.
Apply logic. Apply logic.
New treaties.
Apply logic.
renegotiating
No,
old
1
treaties,
second. Ashish.
Getting assurances. This is an
Ashish.
old story.
Ashish,
This
just
is an
one.
old kite.
Ashish, 1 minute. Apply logic. Okay. M.R. Venkatesh.
Okay.
A person called M.R. Venkatesh at about 9:40 p.m. on the 22nd of November in the year of the Lord 2011 said to me on a program called the Newsa. Actually, he said it to the Congress. You, that is the Congress, Mr. Venkatesh said with a lot of expression, have to just disclose the names. If you don't, Mr. Venkatesh said you run the risk of being called a tax haven. Mr. Venkatesh, what would you say to the party you support?
Yes.
You stand by these words?
I
of
would
yours?
say that
Yeah.
I would still say that the BJP has to a lot to answer on this matter. Has a lot to answer. Let us be very clear. I am a pro-nationalist. I am not pro-BJP or pro-Congress.
Right?
Let us be very clear about this fundamental thing. Second thing.
What sort of this argument?
You don't appear very sure today of yourself, Mr. Venkatesh.
Absurd argument.
Oh.
I am a nationalist. I am
No,
not
no, I'm very sure.
pro-BJP
No.
nor Congress.
No,
what sort of this argument?
No,
Whom
what-
you are trying to make
No,
fool?
No,
Don't
one
use
sec-
all these words.
Yes, Mr. Ranjan.
Intellectual rubbish things.
Now, why, Mr. Ranjan? Why
No,
are you?
please, Mr. Anjan, Mr. Anjan,
No, I don't understand
why
what
are
sort
you
of
getting
language
upset with
they
the
are
word
speaking.
nationalist? Why nationalist? Is it an abusive language on prime
Not
time?
what
No, we are
nationalist?
all nationalists.
He is
I
the
don't
only
know, I don't know, I don't think so.
nationalist. And rest
Please,
are the
please don't- no,
all
please,
those who are
please.
sitting in the panel
I
are
never said- I never
anti-national.
said that.
And he is the
I
only
never-
nationalist.
No.
Don't hide behind a nationalism argument.
Did I
No,
ever
don't
say
say
that?
all that.
Did I
No,
ever
you
say that?
speak whatever
I-
you want to
About
speak.
calling us
No, no,
Don't
please,
declare
please.
yourself nationalist and other
I know what I'm
anti-nationalist.
speaking.
This
I'm-
debate is about being truthful.
I
Ashish,
didn't say that.
Ashish,
If
no,
that
one
fits
second.
you,
Ashish,
if that
Ashish, a
fits
minute.
what-
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 point of mine, M.R. Venkatesh, with the greatest of respect for you, and let me assure you, I had absolutely no intention of provoking you by quoting you. But I must tell you, Mr. Venkatesh, I have great regard for you.
No, no, no,
But you
you
can't
are
hide
right.
behind
I
any
st-
nationalism
I
argument
stand
in
by
this.
it.
If you are,
No, no,
if a person is a true nationalist,
I'm
disclose
still
the
saying-
names.
Please,
Disclose the names. That's real nationalism.
please, I'm
That
telling
is
you
real
the same.
nationalism. Disclose the
Please.
names.
Please, I'm telling you today. Exactly. Please, I'm telling you. Let us begin with Hassan Ali Khan. Hassan Ali Khan has been inside the prison for a passport matter. He has not yet been investigated.
So
by
your
the
argument
Department
is
of
you
Revenue
protected some,
Intelligence
I'll
or
protect
Enforcement
others.
Directorate or
You
CBDT.
protected some, I'll protect others. Is that your argument?
No. I said
No, why are you bringing Hassan Ali into this?
No. Because you have the greatest of evidence in that matter.
No,
He is the easiest sitting.
because that in
and
your
he
view
has not yet
implicates
started.
somebody related to some other political party, not yours. So it's a convenient argument that you're putting from Chennai. Atul Kumar Anjan.
No. See,
Atul Kumar Anjan.
No.
One sec. Atul Anjan now can rebut you.
Or you start. No, Arnab, I will not accept
Why?
this argument.
Why?
No, you are trying to put words in my mouth.
How?
What I'm saying is there is evidence in Hassan Ali Khan's case. We have not. I'm
But there
blaming
is
the
other
BJP.
names
Please
also,
listen
no?
to me. I'm blaming the BJP.
The other
We
name.
can start with that also.
Okay, will you
can
hear
start with
Atul Kumar
anything.
Anjan
But
now?
Hassan Ali Khan is the easiest one.
Yeah, fine. But I don't. Fine. Hassan Ali Khan is the easiest one, is an assertion and a belief of yours, Mr. M.R. Venkatesh. There is nothing substantially proved. You have not done any experiment in a laboratory to prove that Hassan Ali Khan is the easiest one. How do you know there aren't other easy ones? Because I don't
No.
even know what charges are, what the investigation is.
Because
that's a surmise of yours. I don't need to accept your surmise.
Because Mr. Palani Manik.
I say tonight Hassan Ali Khan is one among hundreds of people potentially who kept black money abroad. Hundreds of people.
Yes, but
So reveal the hundreds.
But Arnab, Mr. Listen to me, no. Arnab, please listen to me. That Palani Manikam in the floor of the parliament has said that Hassan Ali Khan, his wife.
Why are you harping on
and his
Hassan Ali
associate
Khan? Hassan Ali Khan, bhai, I know.
70,000 crores.
I know Hassan Ali Khan's case. We are times now followed Hassan Ali Khan more than you, Mr. Venkatesh.
No other case has been.
So I followed the Hassan Ali Khan case. We shot him in the race course. We followed him
personally. You may know him. You may know him personally also. No?
I don't know him personally. I followed him more than you have. But that doesn't mean there aren't others. I want the names of all the others. You put this to the test, and I'm asking you, Mr. Venkatesh, you put this question to the test to the people of India, and you ask the people of India, do you want the name? If there are 1,001 names, we want 1,001 names. That's it. It's not a popular, it's a logical argument.
Question.
Yes, I still stand by it. I still stand by it. I still stand by
Okay,
it.
no, no.
I have one question.
Yeah, Revan Sundaram. By the
Can I
way,
just ask one question here?
Go ahead.
I want to know, does the BJP say what they have said today is right, and what they said 3 years ago or 2 years ago when the Congress said the same thing and they criticized it, that they were wrong then?
Yeah.
Or are they saying that they were right then and wrong now? For me, any normal thinking person, however simple you may be, you cannot say one thing today
And one thing.
and then criticize 2 years ago, you criticized the very same thing because it was said by somebody else. And you can't say you were justified in both cases. Please tell me which one is the correct stand. Will the BJP say we were totally wrong in blaming
Mr.
the Congress
Sundaram,
government?
the
BJP
for
is
not
quiet.
having,
Pinky Anand
disclosed
is
the
saying
names?
nothing.
Are they going to say that?
Absolutely.
If they won't say that, then I really want to know
But-
why.
Yeah.
If there is sufficient investigation to show that it is black money, illegal money, names need not be disclosed. Because in my reading, the DTA does not prevent that. Because if it is black money, if it is after the investigation found to be so, it can be disclosed.
22
And that's
minutes
my
past
reading.
9. I have not heard a convincing argument from the BJP yet. Atul Kumar Anjan, you wanted to say
Can I
something
just
to MR
add one
Venkatesh.
point, Arnav?
No. By the way, 1 second. Are you going to solve? The Congress
23
hasn't
minutes,
spoken
can
yet.
you
Mr.
get me in,
Raghunandan
please,
joins
Mr.
the debate. So,
Goswami?
Ashish, just give me a couple of minutes. You were saying something, Mr. Anjan. You were saying something, Mr. Anjan. Are you trying to cover up for the facts that during the 4 years of the, the government that you supported, a Congress-run government, you did nothing? You never pushed the Congress-run government which you were supporting from the outside. You pulled back on the issue of Volcker. You did nothing on black money. What moral right do you have to get so angry at MR Venkatesh today? Mr. Anjan? You can't hear me now?
Mr. Arnab,
Yes, I know my
if you
name.
remember,
Yeah.
who has raised this? No. Who raised this issue? No. Who raised this issue in Parliament? If you remember correctly,
After you left the government,
in
you
year
raised it.
2000
You raised it after
itself,
you left the government.
when listen, if you want to speak, you go on speaking. I will not
No,
speak.
I'm
Go
quiet.
on.
You listen to me. Yeah, continue. Please. No, you continue, sir.
You are asking question. No, when NDA government, Atal Bihari Vajpayee government was there, at that point of time, the CPI leader C.K. Chandrappan raised this issue.
Oh,
Comrade Gurdas Das Gupta has raised this issue.
Yeah.
And when the UPA government one was there, Comrade Gurdas Das Gupta has raised this not only issue for 3 days, a serious discussion took place where the leader opposition at that point of time, I remember Mr. Advani also intervened into the debate.
yeah.
And this was brought into the fora. And
Really?
since there we are fighting. Now the question is this. At that point of time when we raised, then BJP has a different stand. They were criticizing the Congress. Double taxation treaty was not, they said it not. And then Narendra Modi and this Ramdev, during the election campaign, what they said, that if they come to the power, within 1 month, the names will be revealed. And this Ramdev said, money will start coming, pouring
Exactly.
from the abroad, black money to the India. And what happened to them? That fellow Ramdev is now with the celebrities, with the film actresses, moving here and there, and cleanliness program he is involved. He is not shown on the national scene. And this Prime Minister and his ministers are now twisting the throats, and they are speaking the same voice what Congress used to speak.
Oh,
during the
Mr. Anjan, and by
UPA
the way,
first and
selective
second.
amnesia. It's so interesting, Mr. Anjan, and don't respond, just listen to me for a minute. On the 3rd week of May 2004, a government was sworn in. The Prime Minister was Manmohan Singh. You were backing them, whether from outside, inside, doesn't matter, you were backing them. For 4 years, you kept quiet. For 4 years, you didn't open your mouth.
No matter.
You forgot the
Outside,
issue of black
not
money.
inside.
You pulled out support on the nuclear deal. You didn't talk about cleanliness in public
No,
life or
we-
bringing back black money then. Come on, sir.
Yes.
So what? Whose hypocrisy?
Our commitment.
All of you are the same.
Our commitment is very clear.
Where? What
we
commitment?
said that the Indo-US
How do I not know that you have vested
is a
reasons to
futile
keep quiet
exercise
then?
and that has
Maybe
proved.
you had vested reasons to keep quiet then. Tell us what were the vested reasons.
No vested.
Really? Why were you quiet?
No, anyway.
So all of you, when you are in power, have a different approach. Left, Congress, BJP, all of you.
Names will be revealed. Not
bhai,
a single name of a
Left,
Communist party
Congress,
will be there.
BJP, all parties have the
Whatever
same
names
approach
will be
when they are in
revealed,
power.
not
Yes
a
or
single
no?
name of the Communist Party people will be there.
Yes or no? All parties in power have a different approach. Now, Sanjay
What?
Jha. No, one second. Sanjay Jha, the entire blame has been
Except
laid.
Aam Aadmi
No,
Party.
don't
Arnav,
say like that.
we
Don't
have been
say
very
like
clear
that.
on the issue of black money.
No case of CBI and income tax on any communist leader. And we say no name will be there.
You know,
There will be all party people will be there.
but the biggest
no name of the
hypocrisy.
communist
No,
leader
one
in the,
second.
you see, black money list
the
which will come.
greatest,
Today or tomorrow it will appear.
the greatest
We are not the
hypocrisy.
party of hypocrites. What we say,
Arnav,
we
can I come
speak
in?
clearly.
The greatest hypocrisy is that of the Congress. You see, the current hypocrisy is that of the ruling party, but the greatest hypocrisy is that of the Congress, which till the last day possible used the last day in office to stymie the setting up of a probe panel by filing a petition seeking review of the government's court's decision to set up an SIT, which means that the greatest nightmare that Manmohan Singh was having, maybe in the last week in power, was how do I stop the black money probe from moving? Why, Sanjay Jha? And since you did that, what right do you have to ask Pinky Anand any questions today? Now you answer and I'll get Pinky Anand to reply.
Okay, now. Excellent. Now it's 28 minutes into the debate.
That's
I'm
all
very
right.
happy to be
That's all right.
belatedly
I'm
making
glad
an
you heard
entry.
someone else out.
Arnav, we have debated this before on your panel. I'm glad we are debating this on your panel, but we have done it in the past. Let me again tell you that number one, the Bharatiya Janata Party is actually trying to make a virtue of a necessity in claiming credit for the SIT probe, which, by the way, was ordered by the Supreme Court of India.
Come to
And
the
if
point. Did you reveal
Congress-led
names when
UPA
you were in power?
Went and filed a petition.
Did you reveal names
it
when
was
you were in
only
power?
on account of the fact of judicial overreach. Let me answer your question. What is established beyond doubt is Mr. Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party fully knowing the facts of what can be disclosed, what cannot be disclosed. Don't forget Mr. Jaitley, who came today, I think he was flushed red with embarrassment on the issue of black money, because they know they lied to the people of India when they talked of black money coming within 100 days. They all know, if Mr. Jaitley is not aware of the double taxation treaty with 85 countries, what are the boilerplate terms, what are the customized
Who signed
terms,
the treaty?
then I think they have hoodwinked the nation.
Who signed the treaty?
Mr. Modi has lied to the people of
signed the
India.
treaty?
The BJP
Who signed the
has
treaty?
fooled the people of
Who
India.
signed the treaty?
And today
Stand here.
Ashish Khaitan has raised some pertinent points and the BJP is silent. That tells you the whole story of why the BJP wants to
Pinky
actually
Anand.
dodge the issue of black money. I'm predicting that you will hear nothing. Achhe din will never come. The black money will never come either, because the BJP is actually got a lot to conceal. I'm making this statement with responsibility on your channel.
You see,
how can it be that this party makes claims? They defeated the Congress. They maligned the Congress party.
You are all talk, no action.
They tore a reputation to shreds. They succeeded.
You're trying very hard.
But the truth is, they will not succeed again and again. I think the people of India have a right to answer that.
Here?
No, one
Arnav,
second.
just one quick point.
Ashish, since you've teamed up
Arnav,
with the
just one
Congress,
quick
go
point.
ahead. No, since you have
Arnav.
seemed to have teamed up with the Congress,
And by the way, Arnab,
No,
by the way,
we are not
we
teamed up
passed
with
the
anybody. We
RTI,
don't need to
we
team up
passed
with
the
anybody.
Lokpal, we passed the
The
Prevention
big
of Money
political
Laundering
story
Act.
of the day.
Arnav,
The big political story of the day, Arnav,
small
is
statement of two things.
it's
almost like
that is all the political parties
What-
except
what
Aam
we
Aadmi
are
Party
talking about
are
today-
trying to hide the
I
names
think your entire concentration
tax evaders,
appears to be in a
of
direction
Swiss bank account
of
holders.
what the name should be disclosed.
All
or should
are
not be
indulging in
disclosed.
hypocrisy.
If you are talking.
And
if
it
you are
was
ultimately
Aam Aadmi
talking about
Party
black
which
money
2
being
years
brought
back
into the country,
made the
you have
name
one feature
of
which
the
you just
top
discussed,
corporate company
the forming of the
and the
SIT,
top
which
corporate
actually is
honcho public
investigating and has submitted
with the account
a report
number,
way back
with
in
the Swiss bank
August
account number.
2014. On the basis of which further action will be
Arnav,
done
can I
by
ask
the
one
government
thing?
and is being done.
We are going
Secondly,
round
an
and round.
assurance from the Swiss
I know,
government
we are going round
on the
and
panel
round.
visit
Where is
the
that
Raghunath?
action will be taken
Pinky
based
Anand,
upon
where is the
any new and
Lokpal?
additional disclosure Which
Pinky
earlier,
Anand, where is
which
the
earlier
Lokpal?
because of the stolen report.
Where is an independent
Sanjay, we were just going to
CBI?
keep chanting away on some Lokpal.
Where is
and
the
something
Chief
else. I don't
Information
think I'll be able to
Commissioner?
respond. I mean, let's
Oh
come
yeah,
to
it's
the
a
point of
joke.
what we are
But
talking.
your Mr. Modi,
Return of
your
black
Mr.
money.
Modi accused the
Yes,
Congress
Pinky
government
Anand,
of the Lokpal.
if you want,
And 5
I
months
can
later,
give
there
you
is no
20
Lokpal in
names.
the country.
I think Sanjay,
you
you
owe
are
the
hearing
country
our
an
voices.
explanation.
Swiss bank account holders.
Pinky, you cannot dodge this issue. How are you dismissing Lokpal as a joke? Is a BJP dismissing
Sanjay, why
Lokpal
don't
as
you
a
just hear
cipher,
yourself
as
on the
something
subject? I don't
insignificant
think
for which
you
the
want any
country,
answers from
for
me.
which the country
So I
took to
don't
the
think we are
roads?
getting into that
No,
issue.
one sec.
No, it is linked to corruption, right?
Miss Pinky
Lokpal
Anand.
is linked to corruption,
Unfortunately,
is linked to
That
black
doesn't know how
money.
to
There is
take
a
any
correlation.
answers.
Double
Fine,
role.
so be it.
And by the way, the
She has
biggest
to
black
play a
money is in
double role.
India.
And one
The
hand
biggest
she's a
black
BJP
money is in
wala,
India,
on the
it's not
other
even
hand,
in Swiss
she
banks.
is representing the duty on behalf of the government.
Arnab,
As a
Yeah,
I just
Raghunandan.
want to say two
spokesperson.
things.
No, watch
Arnab,
She is playing
Pinky,
double
Pinky
role.
Anand,
In an
Pinky
education,
Anand.
She has to protect.
No,
No,
you
Arnab,
see,
you just ask
what
all
have
the
we
political
proven?
parties here.
1 minute, gentlemen,
Arnab,
just give me a minute, please. 1 second, 1 second. Just a minute, please. Pinky Anand, I'm coming to you. Let me hear from Mr. P. Raghunandan. You see, an argument is being put here, Mr. Raghunandan, that the government of India is bound by the double taxation avoidance agreement. Now, Ravi Shankar Prasad, right, in 2011, January 2011, rubbished the Congress party when they made the same point. Congress party said exactly the same thing. We are bound by the double taxation avoidance agreement. And Ravi Shankar Prasad was asked this question. Ravi Shankar Prasad said this is rubbish. He said the double taxation avoidance agreement, right, does not apply to fruits of crime like money laundering and profits made from selling drugs. He said the finance minister Pranab Mukherjee has said that the government wants to avoid double taxation. And he said double taxation for whom? That is related to those who have businesses in many countries. It does not relate to the fruits of crime. Doesn't the same argument apply now, Mr. Raghunandan? Can Pinky
absolutely.
Anand
You see,
avoid that question?
See, the whole point is, see, if you look at the kind of black money that's there in the country, in and outside the country, it actually falls into two categories. The first is money that is legitimately earned, but it becomes black because people avoid paying taxes. But the other and the more dangerous dimension is the money that is actually generated through corruption and through crime, and which is stashed either in India or abroad. And I am frankly very skeptical that mainstream parties are really interested in bringing back black money into this country, because their campaign finances depend upon black money. And the whole problem is that it gets too uncomfortably
very
close
valid
to
point.
their own shenanigans if they begin to attack the other party a bit more. So I think they are all basically hand in glove with each other. They will do a little bit of shadow boxing. A few people will be made scapegoats and a few names will be revealed. But if they actually did bring back black money into this country, or took a serious attempt to actually track black money within the country, then all political parties will be completely exposed in terms of how they fund their campaign. Now let me just give you an example.
Arnab,
Forget
I'm
about money
surprised
abroad.
that you're not
The
asking.
Benami Act
Can
in
I
India
just
has
make
not
a
been
quick point
implemented
here,
since
Arnab?
it was passed in 1989. And it was passed as an ordinance
we know that.
and then converted into a law. And it was introduced in
I
Parliament 2 years back when the President of
I
India,
think-
current
I
President,
think
was
he
the
has
Finance
been-
Minister, saying
on
that
the-
the
on the
previous
head of
act
the
is
nail.
unworkable in practice.
I think he
You
has
want
been
to
on the
tackle
head of
black
the
money,
nail when he says
enact the
that
Benami
all
Act,
political parties
appoint the authority that the
are
Benami
funded
Act
through
allows
black
you to
money.
appoint,
Arnab,
and
why
begin
don't
to
you ask-
One
begin to
minute.
forfeit the money
Ashish.
that is held Benami within the country.
Yeah, Ashish has been
There are
wanting
many,
to ask
many
a
things
question.
that can be done.
No, you see,
I don't think they're really very serious
just a quick,
about
just
it.
a quick
Any of
summary.
these
Why
parties.
don't
No,
you
no, no.
ask?
There will
why
be a
don't you
few
ask
people who will
both
get
Congress
caught and
BJP?
scapegoats will be
Why
there,
don't
but
you ask
I don't
both
think
Congress and
political
BJP?
parties
Yes, Ashish.
are really
When they
keen
joined
about
hands
bringing
on
black
the
money
floor of
back
the
into the
House.
country, because it is
Yeah,
they have
I
black
heard you.
money.
Okay, point
which
is
lying
understood, Mr.
abroad,
Raghunandan.
lying within this
Yes,
country,
Ashish.
which is funding
know
their
that, sir.
campaign
Ashish,
finances.
Ashish, no, one sec. Let's ask some straight
know,
questions
why-
to the Congress and
Arnab.
BJP. Go ahead.
Arnab,
Go ahead, Ashish.
why don't you ask both Congress and BJP that why did they join hands on the floor of the House to pass an amendment in the RTI Act by which they kept themselves out of the purview of the RTI? Both BJP and Congress do not want their account books, do not want their bank accounts, do not want their
It's
funding
not just the
to
Congress
be
and the
made
BJP,
transparent, to be
Ashish,
looked
it is
into by
including the
income
left
tax authorities.
parties.
That's the crux of the matter.
All political
no, sir.
parties
No,
backed it.
sir.
All political
As long
parties
as
backed it.
8,000 crore rupees
Yeah.
will continue to be
Ashish, that's
spent
the
in
truth.
Maharashtra in election
Ashish, that's
campaign,
the truth.
as long as expensive ads, as long as expensive TV ads, as long as expensive election campaigns would continue to roll out, then the problem of black money would not get solved. Because as the expert, the other speaker made it very clear, there are two kinds of black money. One which comes out of corruption, the other which comes out of tax evasion.
No, there's no
I want to
denying that the
ask,
country
all the
needs
black money that the
electoral
BJP
reforms.
spent,
We'll agree with that.
that Narendra Modi spent, came out of corruption or came out of tax evasion. What was the source of the money, big bucks that Narendra Modi is spending from Maharashtra to Haryana, from Uttar Pradesh to Bihar, all this big money that we are seeing spent in election campaign over the last 2 years.
Yeah.
The shameful display
Arnab, there has been
of money
obscene
being
expenditure,
spent
the
by all
kind
political
that is
parties.
absolutely
We should ask,
glaring
what
and
is the
flagrant.
source of this money?
Yeah, huge money power.
What is the source of this money? Who is giving this money
Answer,
to Mr.
Pinky,
Narendra
question
Modi?
after
Is it
question
the
put to
honest
you, don't you
taxpayer
have an
like you and
answer?
me?
Pinky Anand, you don't have an
Who is
answer. You
funding
think it's
Mr.
not
Narendra
relevant
Modi's
to
election
answer.
campaign?
No, because I'm not answering for the BJP, Arnab. You know that. So let's not get into that part.
No,
as far as the government is concerned, I think what R.S. Sundaram said makes the most valid point. The question is, what is the government doing to bring back the black money? Not on other counts. Let us
No,
not get
of
into
course
the
on other
issues.
counts.
Nobody
No,
is
of course
addressing
on other
that.
counts,
We are
Pinky
talking of
Anand,
some
of
other
course.
issues.
What have you done in
That
5
means that
months
you are
after
doing
the
nothing.
constitution of the SIT?
Arnab,
You're doing nothing.
No, no, you
Arnab.
can't.
What
You
has
can't
the
say I'm
SIT
not
done
going to
over the last
answer.
5
The
months?
governments have to bring back
No,
the black
what's a
money.
Pinky
Let
Anand?
us
Pinky
discuss
Anand,
that.
no, 1 second.
Instead of that,
Pinky Anand, a minute. No, Pinky Anand, no, I don't buy that line.
International treaties retain their character.
Man, no, you don't duck
Whatever
behind
the
international
government is,
treaties
whether
today.
it's BJP,
You must ask yourself a more fundamental question. No, 1 second.
What is the fundamental question?
There's a fundamental
One
question.
should
If you
answer
let me
the
ask, I
government.
will ask. I'll tell you what is the fundamental question.
If you ask me for BJP, I am not going to answer you.
Fine, then
Arnab, let us
Meenakshi
be
Lekhi is
clear.
joining the debate. Meenakshi
This
Lekhi, good
program, I am
evening.
not
Now
representing the
145
BJP, and you know that.
days. 145 days.
So if
and
you're
not
going to
even
ask
one
for the
rupee
BJP,
is
please
in.
find some other person to ask the question.
145 days and not 1 rupee of black money is into the country. That's the reality. That's how the BJP has dodged, obfuscated, and frankly speaking, taken the country for a ride. And won an
Achhe din
election.
kyun nahi
They
aaye?
won a historic
Pinky
election with
Anand.
282 seats. But they have taken the country for a ride.
Okay, now Sanjay
और
Jha.
बाबा रामदेव का मुंह क्यों बंद हो गया है?
Pata nahi, I want actually the one person who should be speaking today, who should do a press conference is Baba Ramdev. No, 1 second.
Congress.
No, 1 second. The one person.
Exactly.
The one person who should be speaking today, in fact, I think the whole country would want to see Baba Ramdev.
Product.
Baba Ramdev's single point agenda was black money. The greatest promise he said, मैं कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक.
They was converted into a dealer.
No, 1 second.
Dealer.
No, 1 second. Meenakshi Lekhi is coming into the debate. Meenakshi Lekhi, you're there? Baba Ramdev. Yeah,
What
thank
he
you.
will see.
Yes.
Acha, let her come in now, please. Okay, let's see if Meenakshi Lekhi answers. Pinky Anand wasn't answering specific questions. She said, ask someone else. I'll ask Meenakshi Lekhi. Now, Meenakshi Lekhi. By the way, on Baba Ramdev, my view is, 1 second. On Baba Ramdev, my view is Baba Ramdev should have a nationally televised press conference in which he should explain what he said then, what he's saying now, what his position was then, what his position is now, whether he had a hard position then, whether he has a soft position now, and if so, why there is such a difference, and whether Baba Ramdev is consistent with his own positions, ever. Now, Baba Ramdev ji, have to answer that question. You say Kashmir se Kanyakumari tak, Assam se Gujarat tak, I will do a big campaign on black money, names will be revealed if the BJP government comes to power. Where is Baba Ramdev today? I don't know. Now, Meenakshi Lekhi. Today, the BJP government is parroting the line of the Congress government.
Not Baba Ramdev.
No, one second. Okay, question is to Meenakshi Lekhi. Atul Kumar Anjan, you listen, let's see what she answers, then you respond. Today, the BJP government is parroting the line of the UPA government by bringing up the 1995 treaty signed. I want to ask Meenakshi Lekhi whether the BJP or the people who are in government today, when they were sitting in opposition in 2012, was unaware of this treaty, when they said, of course, we will reveal the names of those who have stashed their black money abroad when we will be voted in. There were no ifs and buts. We will reveal. Will you disclose the list of 800 people after coming to power? For example, Yashwant Sinha was asked by a member of an audience at an American think tank foundation. And he said, of course we will do, of course we will do, of course we will do. 3 times he said that. At that time, nobody knew about this agreement. I can't believe a former finance minister didn't know about the agreement then. Meenakshi Lekhi?
No, but what is the change in position now? When you say that
No, then because you now take a Congress position.
I promise that we will. No.
No. The question is not. No. One second. The question is not some generic question.
Mr. Goswami,
what was the question? The question was, will you disclose the names?
Let me answer.
The question was, will you disclose the names?
Of course. I'll tell you what I'm waiting for. I'll disclose what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the investigation to be completed and charges to be framed. And I'll disclose the names.
Okay. So follow-up question. Follow-up question, Meenakshi Lekhi.
Is the Congress representative trying to say that we did the test and you're not able to catch it? Is that what they are trying to say?
No. Meenakshi Lekhi.
Deja vu for me.
Meenakshi,
Deja vu for me.
never ever accuse the Congress party without knowing your facts.
Or a BJP spokesperson.
No, I think why are you labeling me with the questions when I have already answered in one go that yes, we are going to disclose the names. We need investigations to be completed.
The same technicalities were parroted by UPA. Pranab Mukherjee when Mr. Arun Jaitley
Meenakshi, when you made that statement, you ridiculed us. Your party ridiculed us in parliament and outside.
You are telling the lies.
I am ridiculing you today. I am ridiculing you today. Now listen. Now let us start listening. I am ridiculing you today because you said there should be no SIT. You said there should be no SIT.
ridicule anybody from the Congress
Never
party
ever
when you don't know your facts.
Mr. Jha.
This is just an
You sound
excuse.
like a liar. This is not an excuse, mister. I'm sorry, I don't know who's speaking, but this is not an excuse. There is a procedure established by law, Constitution of India, and everybody is bound by legal procedures. We follow the procedures.
To say that what Pranab Mukherjee is saying is just a lie, is just an excuse, was that a lie? Or today what you are saying is a lie? Now both cannot be correct at the same time.
I am not aware
Either
of the
Mr. Arun Jaitley was lying 2 years ago or he is lying today.
I am not speaking.
Either he was lying 2 years ago or he is lying today. Because these are two diametrically opposite positions that Mr. Arun Jaitley has taken.
No, 1 second. 1 minute. Just a minute. Ashish Khaitan, a minute. No, 1 second. Let me steer this. Ashish Khaitan, a minute. Hold yourself. No, hold yourself. Meenakshi Lekhi, let's get it. Let's put the parameters correct. Let's put the parameters correct. 1 second.
Let us not make it
just calm down. Everyone calm down for half a minute. Half a minute.
The viewers must listen.
Yeah, viewers must listen, but I'm just saying, everyone just pull yourself back for half a minute. I have something to say to Meenakshi and then we'll take the discussion forward. She's joined the debate now. My question is, Meenakshi Lekhi, suppose we are saying what Arun Jaitley is saying is technically correct. Technically correct. That you need to file charges to disclose the names. We're not putting that into dispute. What is the issue on debate today? The issue on debate today is not whether what Arun Jaitley is saying today is technically correct or not. Of course it's technically correct and Arun Jaitley is right and Sanjay Jha, just calm down a bit. That double taxation avoidance agreement which compromises the process of revealing the names was done under a Narasimha Rao government. So just go a little slow please. I'm going to come back to you Sanjay Jha. Don't react, okay? My question... Sanjay Jha, what did I say? Sanjay Jha, what did I say? Don't react.
Was signed during the NDA time.
Sanjay Jha, don't get into that, please.
Okay, I'll adhere to that.
No, Sanjay Jha, don't get into that. You want me to ask a relevant question? No, 1 minute.
No.
MR Venkatesh, just hold yourself. Can 15 seconds? Can I get 15 seconds on the news? 1 minute. Can I get 15 seconds?
Mr. Arnab.
No, 1 second.
Mr. Arnab.
Mr. Anjan, give me 15 seconds. 15 seconds दीजिए मुझे. 15 सेकंड में एक छोटा सा सवाल पूछ लूंगा प्लीज 10 सेकंड तो ऐसे ही वेस्ट हो गए
10 सेकंड दीजिए
नहीं मैं बस 15 सेकंड ले रहा हूं मीनाक्षी लेखी यू लिसन टू मी आई एम सेइंग मीनाक्षी लेखी एंड माय टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ Arun Jaitley what he says is technically correct but why did Nitin Gadkari say at 4:25 p.m. on 18th of January 2011 he said and I quote UPA government should without any minute's hesitation immediately make public names of each and every person who has stashed money in Swiss bank accounts and he went on to say that I warn Nitin Gadkari said I warn that any reluctance in declaring the names of even one of the Swiss bank account holders will raise extreme doubts about the integrity of the people at the helm of the nation.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Absolutely.
And
So-
the
Now,
tweets
who
from
was in
Mr.
power
Modi
from
and
2011 till 2014?
No. Who is Nitin Gadkari? Which party is he from?
Excuse me?
Which party is
No,
he from?
Nitin Gadkari is from my party.
So why did he
very
say that
well.
then?
And,
How does that
he's
apply
saying
now?
The right thing. Now, why did they not say that we will complete investigation in 8 months' time, 9 months' time, or 1 year or 2 years? Till 2014, they have not
How can
completed
you hide
the
behind their
investigation. That is my
incompetence?
problem.
You know, you made such a
I
big
am
issue
not
of black
hiding
money.
behind. I'm just
Meenakshi Lekhi,
putting.
you're again
I'm just
being
telling you the
disingenuous
procedure. The fact
and
is, in
distorting.
2011,
I'm not questioning the procedure.
My party president.
I'm not questioning
makes
the procedure.
a
I'm saying what
statement, and
Arun
till
Jaitley is
today,
saying is
till
technically correct.
2014,
That's not true.
Till 2014,
That's factually
no
incorrect.
investigation has happened.
Miss
Now,
Meenakshi Lekhi, that's
2014,
factually incorrect.
145 days go, and you want investigations to be completed, and that to get the
All
evidence
wrong.
from outside the
Miss
country
Meenakshi,
and within the
Arnab,
country.
Arnab,
What are you
Meenakshi
talking?
Lekhi,
That's
One
factually
at a
incorrect.
time.
What are you talking?
One at a time. I urge you. One at a time. One at a
You
time.
tell him never ever to
There are
intervene in
more
between.
than
Acha, don't go on with that never ever thing. One at a time.
Arnab, she's bluffing us.
No, tell him to keep quiet.
Arnab, Meenakshi
Arnab
Lekhi
ji.
is bluffing
Arnab.
the panelists. She's bluffing the
Arnab,
people of
only
India.
one-
I am not
I have the
bluffing.
details
I'm
here in
giving you
front
the
of me.
detail, and I'm putting
67 cases
I'm putting
are
the
being
timeline in front of
investigated.
you, Mr.
1
Jha. You
minute,
tell me
24
why did you
crore
not
penalty has
investigate the
been
matter
imposed in the
why did you
LGT
not
Bank of
investigate in
Germany?
3 years by this
And
statement?
1 minute, I
and you want
answered
me
the
to
questions.
investigate it in
And the
145 days?
BJP is brazenly lying.
Why you are
Meenakshi,
repeating the
I'm going to
same
borrow
Meenakshi,
another
BJP is
statement.
not
Never,
basically lying. You are
ever,
lying, and
ever
it is
again
established you are
bluff
lying.
on television.
BJP
You will
and
get
Okay,
caught.
Atul Kumar Anjan. One at a time. Ek bar.
You will get caught.
Atul Kumar Anjan. 1 second. Atul Kumar Anjan. Please let me moderate this.
You will
that
get
point
caught.
of time,
And
your leader
you're
opposition-
mocking me that, look, I committed theft
One-
and I'm
one
not
second.
being caught.
Arnab,
You
you
will
cannot
get caught.
moderate
Don't
this.
worry.
The BJP
It's only a question of
Arnab,
time.
my-
Sanjay, 1 minute.
BJP
Atul
is
Kumar
telling
Anjan
the
is saying
truth as
something to
usual.
Meenakshi. Let him and don't speak over each other. Please, then we can't listen to it. Let everybody make them. Make it aggressively, but Atul Kumar Anjan. Yeah.
Arnab ji, I just want simply one thing. As you said, at that point of time when the double taxation treaty was discussed and the answer given by Mr. Pranab Mukherjee on the floor of the House, the same thing is repeated by today Arun Jaitley. And during the election, the Narendra Modi and all BJP leaders said if they come to the power, within 100 days the names will be revealed and the black money or the money which has been deposited outside will be brought back to India.
one
Now
second.
they have failed. Can Mr. Narendra Modi, just wait. Can Mr. Narendra Modi apologize before the nation that he has
Meenakshi
failed to
Lekhi, no,
discharge his
Meenakshi
duty
Lekhi will respond.
And he is taking the
Meenakshi
same
Lekhi will
position
respond.
when
Okay,
the
your point is
Congress
made.
government has
Your
taken.
point is made.
That's the
Meenakshi
point I
Lekhi will
want to
respond.
make.
Okay, fine. Your
He
point is
should
made.
apologize
Meenakshi,
before the
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. Meenakshi
The
Lekhi is
Prime
responding.
Minister should apologize
No, 1
before
sec.
the
Meenakshi Lekhi will respond. Then I want to ask Aryaman Sundaram something. Yeah. I'm coming to you, Mr. Venkatesh. Let Meenakshi Lekhi respond to Atul Kumar Anjan.
I want to say,
apology to the country.
Meenakshi Lekhi can respond on her own. She doesn't need help. Thank you. Go
Apologize to the
ahead.
people of India for lying.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Jha. You must be feeling very
I
good that you're on the
definitely
other side of
don't
the
need
debate. Thank
Mr.
you.
Jha speaking in between out of turn.
No.
I can do without that.
You know how the
And-
BJP has exploited this issue for a political end.
Well, exploited it because you did nothing and you're standing on the other side. If I ask you 3 straight questions
You
now, you will not know
exploited
reply.
the country, Mr.
Now let Meenakshi
Jha.
respond.
Don't tell me all this. You've cheated, you've committed
Okay, let her
theft,
answer.
you've taken the money out of the country and now
Anyway,
you're
answer
mocking
the
the
question,
people.
ma'am.
Look, we committed
Answer the
theft and you
question,
can't
ma'am.
track
You have
us
no
even.
answers.
That's what you're trying
You
to
have no
say?
answers.
Today by lying.
Of course you have no answer. How can you
answers,
answer?
Meenakshi.
If you go by the timeline 2008, 2011, 2009, 2013, 14, till 2014 you're not able to track and you want me to track in 145 days?
Meenakshi Lekhi,
Let her answer.
Don't
Whether
tell lies to
Mr.
the
Prime
people of this
Minister is
country.
ready to apologize before the nation. Whether Mr. Prime Minister is going to apologize
Yeah,
before
why
the
should
nation.
Mr. Prime
Because he
Minister
has taken
apologize
the
for
same
doing the
stand
right thing?
on this question.
Mr. Ranjan, you need to
He should.
apologize to the nation,
He should.
to
He
hold up
should
the
know.
Prime
It is a
Minister
right
responsible
thing.
for the wrongs of the people you were
He
partnering
has
with.
no
You were
right.
in partnership
Prime
with the
Minister is
Congress
going to
party
right
in running
by
government. Now don't tell me all this. That Prime Minister should apologize. Prime Minister should apologize because he spoke in the court
He has to
through
apologize.
the councils that SIT be formed. Should he apologize for that? I think you should be apologizing because you supported
SIT
a
was on the
government
direction
in
of
the
Supreme
previous
Court,
years
not on the direction of the-
who did
No,
not
not on the direction of the-
want an
Miss
SIT
Lekhi.
on black money.
The government has not
Miss
established
Lekhi,
You apologize,
Miss Lekhi,
sir.
let me
Direction
quote
of
two of your
Supreme Court.
leaders.
Changing your stances.
No, Miss
You
Lekhi.
were in partnership with this government
Miss
earlier.
Lekhi,
Don't try to twist the truth.
Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, Miss Meenakshi
Don't
Lekhi.
try, you
Okay.
you are quite smart to twist the truth. But BJP is quite smart to twist the truth.
Oh.
But you cannot. The SIT was
Oh
formed
my
on the
God.
direction of the Supreme
I'm
Court.
sorry.
Not the
I
decision of the
am
Supreme
smart
Court.
enough to unravel the truth.
One
I am
second.
smart enough to unravel the
If
truth.
you are smart enough to unravel the truth, Meenakshi Lekhi, I'm not doubting that you're capable of doing it. The question is not whether you're smart enough to do it. The question is whether you're willing enough to do it. And in April 2014...
Of course I'm willing enough.
No.
And
if
I've
you're-
told you
okay,
that.
then let me remind you of... You see, let me remind you, there was the will before the election. There was, and I admit, Meenakshi Lekhi, if I go by the statements of every single senior BJP leader, there was not just... There was a great display of the will by M.R. Venkatesh. So a person like...
Not display of will, Arnav. That was bluster.
Acha, Ashish,
That
let
was
me...
bluster.
Ashish, now you give me 17
Display of
seconds.
will. You display will when you are in government.
Ashish, 17
That's fine,
seconds.
but that was not
Ashish,
display
your
of will.
bluster
That
17
was
17
bluster.
seconds. 17 seconds.
Your
Rajnath
bluster
Singh
is
said,
going to be called
M.R.
up, don't you
Venkatesh,
worry.
M.R. Venkatesh, 17th of April 2014
Yes,
in Thane, in Thane, Rajnath Singh, who is now Home Minister, says, we will bring back the black money in 100 days. Okay. 21st of April, of course, where the 100, 150 keeps changing. 21st of April, he says, if we form the government, we will bring back the money in 150 days and we'll also distribute that money for welfare schemes. Means in 150 days, paisa bhi aa jayega, paisa kaam pe bhi laga denge. Acha. LK Advani, M.R. Venkatesh. No, LK Advani. Acha, LK Advani, 2011, December 24th
No,
says,
come to
do
the
we
point.
have to find out from Julian Assange?
ज्योतिषाचार्य थे भाई.
No. He said at that time, M.R. Venkatesh, do we have to find out from Julian Assange of WikiLeaks who are the people who have stashed money abroad? Will Julian Assange have to reveal the names of Indians who have black money in foreign accounts? It will be humiliating, LK Advani said, if WikiLeaks discloses these details. Now, Mr. Venkatesh, it appears that the only hope Indians have of knowing whose names they are till the charges are filed is going to be someone like Julian Assange whenever he comes out of the Ecuador embassy. How ironic. How completely ironic.
My point is...
No, Mr. Venkatesh. No, Mr. Venkatesh.
Again,
Meenakshi, I'll come to you.
Arnab, let me tell you, this government has underperformed on this issue of black money. Two, the SIT, which was formed under the aegis of the Supreme Court, with 11 officers and 2 retired judges, have not yet been able to cut any ice. 11 plus 2, 13 people last time when they had dinner, you know what happened. So, I don't have much of hope on the SIT also. The third, this is not black money, this is red money, meaning this is corrupt or money arising out of drugs. This is not going to be static
Meenakshi
in Switzerland or Liechtenstein. This is across the globe. This is going to be very tough. Four, please listen. We have not done any investigation, whether it is UPA or NDA. We don't have any clue of who has it. That is why I referred to...
No, Meenakshi Lekhi says we'll do the investigation.
Only guy on whom we have...
No, Miss Lekhi says we'll do the investigation.
If
you don't believe her?
now, it will be... I think she's... No. This question of not believing. This is bluster. This is bluster on the prime time. Please understand, it will take enormous time to do this.
What is bluster? Bluster is when you show no intent of tracking the money, or bluster is when you don't wish to do anything. Now here, let me just put it on record for the confusion which is being sought to be created. Will you please allow me to put
it is not
on
action.
record?
We want black money
and
back.
what I'm trying to put on record is the SIT was constituted because of the present government stance, the new government. The earlier government had filed an affidavit before
but you
the
made
court
fun of them,
that
no?
they do not want an SIT. Now that is number one, the change in stance. Number two, very senior people have visited Switzerland and got a few documents done in furtherance to the intention of getting
that is a paid holiday, madam.
Money.
That is a paid holiday.
The exchange of information to getting more information, investigated on our side.
Meenakshi Lekhi,
they will give us the evidence.
Meenakshi Lekhi,
they will
simple
not give
question
the evidence
to you.
of their own, but they will give the evidence.
Simple question to you.
To show them certain documents.
Simple question.
Frankenstein and the other list.
No, Miss Lekhi, I'll tell you, Miss Lekhi, you see, Miss Lekhi, one second, Miss Lekhi, do you realize today why you are on thin ice on this one? I'll tell you why you are on thin ice on this debate. 1 second, hear me out. You are not on thin ice on the argument is Jaitley technically correct or not. I say okay, Jaitley is technically correct, but there is a gentleman on LK Advani who.
So was Pranab Mukherjee.
No. LK Advani in November 2011. Listen to me. It's your own words which are coming back to haunt you. Aryaman Sundaram, I want you in on this, and then we can get Miss Lekhi to respond. LK Advani trains guns at the Congress government in 2011. The BJP then is gung-ho. We will go after the Congress party on the issue of black money. Emotional issue, people of India will respond. हमारा पैसा लूटा गया है, हम वापस लाएंगे. लुटेरों का पैसा वापस लाएंगे. हर एक लुटेरा का नाम हम पब्लिक कर देंगे. This was the kind of popular position you took then. At that time, LK Advani said, the nature of the agreement, and I'm quoting LK Advani, Aryaman Sundaram, he said, the nature of the agreement which India has entered into is so worded that the government takes shelter under it to refuse to extract information. Aryaman Sundaram, he said the government, Congress government takes shelter, takes shelter under the agreement to refuse to extract information. Today, your government takes shelter under the same argument to refuse to extract information.
We are not taking shelter.
How does it when the Congress does it, they don't take shelter when you do it?
On our side to get the documents from the other side. That is the difference.
Can I just come in here for a moment?
And not only this, we are
but you level the charge at the Congress.
Another agreement, if possible, the talks are already on.
Aryaman Sundaram,
information regarding
you see, you made it a political issue.
Can I just come in for a moment, please?
Will be shared.
So far,
we have moved ahead of the Congress party. Please.
Then you should simultaneously file charges against all the people immediately.
You have said, you have repeated exactly what you're saying.
You can't file charges against
I think we have to come down to the basic issue.
Half of them or whatever number of them are NRIs. And those accounts, they
just a minute, Aryaman Sundaram.
So there are issues. And based on those different issues, you will be filing the charges after investigation. Please wait for a while till the charges are investigated and the cases are filed for prosecution.
Said that 10 times that you will disclose it when the charges are over, when the charges are framed. Excuse me, madam, do you have any choice but to disclose it? Because when charges are framed, they are framed in court, everybody will know about it. So it's not that you're disclosing something, it has to be disclosed by law.
Excuse me, sir, do you know the law of defamation?
The question, madam,
do you understand the right of
madam, let me just
do you
finish what I'm saying.
That you can't just blame people
madam,
without
I
going into the
understand only
details?
one thing, that you are speaking the same language that I heard the Congress speaking 2 years ago.
I am not speaking the same.
And you're saying
I'm
the same thing
10
Could
you please enlighten me on the legal points? So far as this aspect is
madam,
concerned,
I can equally shout you down.
Yes,
I don't
please.
want to do it. All I'm
not
asking
shouting
you is a
you down.
very
I've been very polite
question.
with you.
All
I've asked you 3 questions. Kindly answer me on those 3.
Well, madam, if you want to repeat the same thing again and again, I'm sure you got your message through. But I have a very simple question for you.
Well, sir, you are going on repeating. You're not coming to the point and you've not answered a single question which I have raised.
Okay, let him
regarding the law of privacy, regarding defamation and right of an accused. You've not answered me on that.
Mr. Sundaram, reply please.
Madam, how can I answer anything if you don't give me a chance to say something? How can I answer anything? Will you please hear me for a second? I am pointing out something which is very clear. The situation 3 years ago and the situation today is the same because it's the same treaty which we are talking about. And that treaty you were very well aware of when you made all your statements and accusations against the Congress 3 years ago, and they are very well of it when they are making their accusations against you. But one thing is very clear from the treaty, that the disclosure arises when there is an initial investigation and there is a satisfaction in the country concerned that the person's taking of the money which is there is illegal money. The only question is, in the last 150 days, has this investigation proceeded any further than it was 150 days
Yes,
ago?
sir.
And where are we today? Unless
It
we are
has.
only going to keep
How do we
repeating
know?
the same thing
It
again
has
and again
proceeded.
when the investigation is over.
do you
That's
know?
what the Congress also
It will be
said.
filed in the court, so you will know.
When?
So that's where we are. We are
When-
back
I
in
am
no
not
disclosure.
saying
It will be
all these
filed in the court.
technicalities.
No, when you see-
Then the charge on me will be that I'm influencing.
No.
the investigation.
Okay,
Only
closing
the
comments. Can I say
investigator
something at
problem
the
is that
end?
the
Mr.
most of these
Raghunandan.
cases
No,
will
Mr.
never go to the
Raghunandan.
court.
Mr. Raghunandan.
Most of these cases
You see,
will never
for-
go to
We
the
have
court.
moved ahead from that position.
No, Mr.
Now, most of this
Raghunandan, what
case
appears to me, I'm giving Mr. Raghunandan the last word. Mr. Raghunandan has spoken the least.
We pay taxes and penalties.
Have we
Meenakshi-
moved
The
file will be
ahead?
closed.
Answer is yes,
Meenakshi-
we have moved ahead.
Meenakshi-
And if it is 95 treaty which comes in the way, we have
Meenakshi,
moved ahead
you see,
even on
Meenakshi-
that.
Meenakshi, you
because
see
we
what
are
happens
seeking
is-
information sharing
Miss Meenakshi
with
Lekhi,
various countries,
Miss
including
Lekhi,
Switzerland.
Miss Lekhi,
And the investigation has already started.
Miss Lekhi, one second, Miss Lekhi, one second, Miss Lekhi, your situation today, one minute, your situation today is like that of the chef who says, I'm going to lay out a 7-course dinner, and to a very hungry man, right? And the hungry man gets ready and is sitting on the table, and the chef comes in and the chef says, but I've got nothing for you. And then the hungry man asks the chef, but where's my 7-course dinner?
I'm sorry,
One
I
second.
will-
And then the
I'm
chef,
serving the
and the
soup,
chef
sir.
asks the hungry
So let
man,
me
why are you
finish with
hungry?
the soup and the main
The
course
chef,
will come.
the chef then
You
asks the
can't
hungry
ask
man,
for the
why are
dessert
you
in the
hungry?
first go.
But the question will be, why did you whet my appetite?
Mr.
Why did the
Goswami,
BJP,
with
no,
your
Mr. Raghunandan,
analogy,
why
I
did
have
the
answered
BJP,
you. I'm
why did the
serving
BJP
soup
tell
and
the
not
people of India
necessarily
all
the
this
dessert.
while? You
Dessert
see,
will come in due course.
your question is,
Please
did you-
accept the soup
to
first.
win an election, did you overstate your case? Simple point, Mr. Raghunandan. To win an election,
it's
you
possible.
overstate your case.
It's possible. One may have, may
Mr.
not
Raghunan, to
have-
win an election, you tell the
One may have
people,
underestimated
you promise the one thing and then you take a technical line
One may
later.
have said in that overzealous
Acha,
attitude
listen
that
to
I'll
Mr.
get back in
Raghunandan's
such and such
perspective.
time.
Okay,
That's possible.
okay, listen
I'm
to
not
Mr.
denying that.
listen to-
At the same time, the soup is being served.
You shouldn't have
The
done that.
intent is very clear.
No, you can't
We
use
are
an
on the
issue
job
politically.
and we are bringing it.
No,
Now,
you can't. No,
150
Miss
days or
Lekhi,
145
Miss
days,
Lekhi, I
whatever
am
you
only
will
on the
say.
ethics
We have-
today.
we
Miss
have
Lekhi,
started
Miss Lekhi,
investigation.
please
We
hear
are
me on
the
this. Miss
job.
Lekhi,
The
fair
first
and
team
square,
of investigators
fair and square. I am on the
already
ethics of, I am on the ethics of
SIT
saying one thing. No, Mr. Raghunandan, I am on the ethics of saying, you promise one thing, you tell people one thing, you promise them one thing, you make it a single point agenda of your campaign, you raise the expectations of the people and then you say, why are you expecting anything, Mr.
The intent is
Raghunandan?
very clear.
Mr. Raghunandan.
And 7-course meal is
Mr.
going
Raghunandan.
to be served. I'm bound
Arnab,
by
I
that,
completely-
but I never
Arnab, I
promised that
completely
all
agree with you.
forces will come together.
Mr. Raghunandan.
I think what has happened is that the BJP has terribly overstated its case and the people of India have been naive enough to believe that. But honestly, in my opinion, and this is a very pessimistic opinion, I don't think both the mainstream parties and some of the regional parties who are flush with money are going to be serious about it. They will obfuscate this whole issue by raising
think they are
various
very
legal and
serious
technical
about it.
points. Because the whole point is that it is corrupt money that funds campaign
We want to do
finances.
away with the technicalities and
if
bring
one
it
party
back.
steps out of line and kind of begins to disclose these matters, then it's a question of the whole thing collapsing, imploding like a pack of cards.
You know.
And it will harm parties across the board.
I
think this is something that there will be a lot of shadow boxing
want to-
about.
Yeah.
A few people will be caught, there will be
this is-
non-entities.
this is-
I don't think any
I
celebrity will
make an appeal to a person called Baba Ramdev today. I'm making a public appeal to a person called Baba Ramdev today. One second. Baba Ramdev ji, आप जहाँ पे भी हो, आप जो भी कर रहे हो, wherever you are, Baba Ramdev, and whatever you are doing, hold a press conference ताकि देश की जनता ये जान सके कि आपका जो पोजीशन था ब्लैक मनी पर, आज आप उसी पोजीशन पे है कि नहीं. Do you have the same position on black money that you had earlier? Second point is simple. Who made this a hot political issue? If the BJP made this a hot political issue, raised expectations of the people, you can't have a legal response to a political issue. You can't have a legal response to an issue that you made a political issue before the election.
Law needs to follow.
So no, that's right. But you didn't say, you didn't speak that language before the election, and maybe we should do a before and after one.
I'm saying
the people of the India and you should apologize.
I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Prime Minister.
I will follow this story. We'll follow the story. The Congress party is nobody to talk because they defended not revealing names when they were in power. But the BJP has also landed itself into a little bit of a soup here. here, more than a soup here really. It's going to have to answer the expectations of the people when after raising the expectations themselves. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on this News Hour debate tonight. Thank you.